1, 2, 3. Hello everyone, my name is Daniel, and this is going to be a continuation of the Apple Watch series that I kind of started this year. If you haven't already seen my video, I did an unboxing on the series for 44mm gold stainless steel Apple Watch, which is a mouthful and that makes me out of breath, but check that out before you check this video out. So today we are doing an unboxing because I actually did get a couple bands for the Apple Watch, and I got the number one. We're gonna look at this one first. This is the pink Sandband Sport Loop. So utilizing this Apple Watch has actually been an amazing thing for me, and I need stuff that keeps me from sweating and as comfortable as possible. And then the other one we are opening up is the gold Milanese loop. This thing is ridiculous. I can't believe that I even have it because it is kind of expensive, but I was thinking if I spend that much money on an Apple Watch, then might as well get the band. We're gonna set this one to the side and let's just get into it. I cut these completely wrong because I did not know that there was gonna be a pull tab on either of them. So after I cut them, I was like, wait, there's a pull tab. And now it doesn't even matter. Normally I'd throw my stuff, but these Apple Watch bands were kind of expensive, so I'm not gonna do that. You get your instruction paperwork as normal, but that's not what we're here for. Ooh. So right off the bat, you can see, I don't even know if you can get close enough to see. I'll have to do a close-up shot for you guys. All right, so right off the bat, whenever you open this, you can tell the material is completely different. And I, for the longest time, thought I hated these. I did not know if I was gonna like these at all or not. And now I'm hardcore fan. Hardcore fan. Well, I'm hardcore fan at the gym because that makes a big difference. And sometimes I do like to wear them out, like if I wear something that matches. Okay, so before we open the Milanese loop, I do actually want to take my Apple Watch off and put this one on so I can show you guys what it looks like. I currently do have the stone silicone band on this Apple Watch right now. It's the one that came with it. You kind of get a little bit more of a close-up in my other video, but I'm actually gonna do a comparison shot in just a few minutes of all three bands so that you can see that as well. All right, so I have the Sport Loop on this thing, and I think that I was kind of worried about having a stainless steel band and then having like silicone and like cloth sport loops attached to it, but I think it looks really good. I like the Velcro that attaches to the bottom, and I can already tell that this is going to be something that is not going to make me extremely sweaty or make my Apple Watch cling to my wrist. The color just looks really good to me. I think that the gold paired with the pink is nice. Like, I think it looks good. Okay, so now that we've seen this one, let's go ahead and unbox the other one. All right, guys, so I cleaned up that mess because I tend to make them a lot, and now we are gonna focus on opening up the gold 44mm Milanese loop. How did I do this? I destroyed this box earlier because I was getting aggravated that I couldn't get it open. Now, boom, 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 boom. All right, so this one I was like really ecstatically excited about, and I absolutely had to get this together. I mean, look at it. Just look at this. It is absolutely beautiful. I think that the gold Milanese band is amazing. Like, it looks good. And I almost don't know how I feel about the way that they get these things packaged. Like, it's clean. Yes, this is heavy. This is heavy. I would not want to wear this anywhere except for special events, or if I know that I am not doing any type of vigorous anything. All right, so now I'm taking this one off. Already, goodbye Sport Loop. And hello, beautiful. This thing is actually amazing. I am a little obsessed with this, to be honest with you. I think like my favorite part about this whole thing is just the fact that it perfectly matches the stainless steel gold, so that you don't really have to worry about it looking like a knockoff. It doesn't look fake. It definitely doesn't look cheap, which is something that sometimes I have a problem with when it comes to Apple products. But I actually spent the extra money on this because I pre-ordered the very first Apple Watch and I wore it every single day for 4 years, and I've very recently been getting into fitness. So I mean, it's worth it to me. I use it every single day. I go work out, I log my workouts, I help keep track of my progress. So this is something that is for me. Now, I am not telling you to go spend that much money on an Apple Watch, because realistically here I see all these YouTubers spending tons and tons of money on these tech products, and they have to do that because they have an extremely large following and they have to advertise. Notice I said advertise them to you, which is perfectly fine. I use other YouTubers to look at the reviews of products before I buy them so that I can see the good and the bad. That is their job. That's what they like to do. And now that I have done the unboxing, and I actually did purchase a couple Apple Watch bands for this, I do want to, in the next couple of weeks, post a review video that's very in-depth for you guys, and show you the features that it has, what I like about it, what I don't like about it. And that is gonna come up in the next few weeks. But I actually do have a lot of interesting, exciting videos planned for you all. So I do wanna go ahead and just let you guys know to stay tuned. I've never done anything like this on my channel before for these next couple of videos, but it's 2019 and we're here on a tech channel and to hang out and have fun. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to like it, put a comment down in the comment section below, and let me know what you want to see in 2019 from me. Also, be sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you're notified when I do post my next couple of different videos. I'm actually really excited about it. Also, my social media links are in the description box below, as well as my Instagram tag that has been in the corner of this video the entire time. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. Peace.